business class, Seattle to Singapore. This is my first time flying this far for this long. I'm excited because today, just like you, all I care about is the food. I think it's almost 16 hours, so we're gonna eat a lot on this flight. This is our business class menu, very colorful. I'm excited. I heard good things. Seattle to Singapore starts with lunch. These are the options: a beef fillet, a noodle soup, salmon, which Judy got. I got the chicken with Chinese pork sausage and a mushroom sauce, which sounds hella good. Because this is such a long flight, there's also midnight refreshments, kind of like a late night dinner, additional refreshments. So 3 meal services and lots of booze. We're gonna eat good on this flight. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys everything I eat, everything I try.
This is the smoked salmon appetizer.
Thank you.
Would you like to have a glass of wine?
Oh, champagne, please, if you have it.
Shortly. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. The first course smells like salmon, looks like salmon. I'm craving salmon. All right, so I got up at 4:10 a.m., so I'm pretty tired. You better believe I'm gonna take advantage of all this food. I'm gonna eat every single bite. I'm gonna experience every single course. I'm gonna start with this, the salmon. This is already turning out to be one of the fanciest meals I've ever had on a plane. So I've always wanted to ride Singapore Airlines before. Never had a reason to go to Singapore Airlines, so here we go. Like some kind of dressing. Oh my gosh, nice way to start the meal. In fact, I'm just gonna put this sauce on there. I don't know what this is, but it's like something. I recognize it, but I can't name it. That is bomb. It is the morning. This is technically breakfast, but I'm gonna go to sleep right after this, so I have enough energy for the next meal. So I'm doing champagne. That's good. Got a little roll. Oh yeah. Let's see if their butter is room temperature. Now, if it's room temperature, that's fancy. If it's cold, understandable. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely cold and it's really hard. Now, if that was room temperature, you know what's up. If you know, you know. Oh, that's cool. A little salt. Look at this. Look how cool this is. A little salt and pepper shaker. Top one salt, bottom one obviously pepper. Fancy. The roll is slightly sweet. First course, 10 out of 10. Thank you. Wow. I got some kind of chicken dish. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it's chicken with mushroom sauce, bok choy, carrots, and more mushrooms, and then rice. By the way, I'm watching Deadpool, and it's hilarious. Yeah, I have not watched it. First, I'm gonna read what the heck I'm eating. This is a steamed chicken with Chinese pork sausage and mushroom sauce, seasonal vegetables, and steamed rice. Excited. Chicken and sausage, that's the first time I've ever had that combo before. With mushrooms. It's moist, salty, definitely got that mushroom sauce all over it. I don't know about you, but when people describe what they're eating on cooking shows, it's always kind of funny because there's only so many ways you can describe food. I just described what basically every savory dish is. You know, delicious, umami. That bok choy tastes like a vegetable. I will say this though, it is very good. It's very, very good. Ooh, got a little sausage. See, for me, half of the value of eating this way in the air is the fact that I'm eating this way in the air. I'm so used to having prepackaged meals, sometimes no meals. In America, we just don't have a lot of food anymore. You have to pre-order food. And if you don't pre-order food, you have to pray that you still can order something. Usually it's just a box snack, not hot. So this is just cool that I can eat like this. Big old chunks of chicken. Is it also kind of awkward that the bathroom is right behind me? All right, so they did have ice cream and some kind of cake and all kinds of desserts. I decided to go light, so I got the fruit tray, and then they asked me, do I want cheese? And of course, yes, I wanted the cheese. I mean, this is pretty awesome for a dessert. I was thinking it's a little bit too early for sugar, but this fruit tray, better than Alaska Airlines, I'll tell you that. A little more fancy too. Cleanse the palate with the cantaloupe first. Real good. Fruits in Asia, something about them. They got blue cheese. Take a bite of that. I don't know what this is. Some kind of white cheese. It's brie. That's good. Some big old walnuts. Look at that. Okay, they've got some kind of like fruit puree. That's good. You know the only thing they're missing? Honey. But I ain't complaining.
Midnight snack. Yeah.
All right, where are we now? Somewhere over the Pacific Ocean. I slept for almost 3 hours, which is awesome on a plane, can't complain. Lie, flat bed, comfy pillows, 3 pillows. I got my energy back so I could eat. This is the second course. What is this here? We're on the midnight onwards part of the menu. I think Judy got me the sea bass, so I'm very, very excited for it. Starting off with orange roasted baby beets, heirloom tomatoes, endives, pine nuts, fine salad. It looks like this. A little salad dressing, which I'm gonna totally shake. Man, I love that we get fresh veggies, these little salads before we start the meal. Get some fiber, nutrients, because man, gotta balance it out. I didn't eat that much junk food, but I could have ate a lot of snacks. So it's nice to start off with a salad. See that the tomatoes are sweet. Now, Singapore, where we're going to, it's a tropical area. The weather is hot, humid. Not too sweet, but I'll take it. I don't know what you call this. I think some pine nuts on there. It's a citrus dressing. Got a nice piece of beetroot. I bet it's sweet. Beets, they're awesome. Shout out to everyone that watches The Office. Beets, underrated. I really need to make beets at home. No matter what season, beets are always, always sweet. It's for the salad where there's a lot of bitter veggies, some citrus, some sourness, that sweetness of the beet. Wow. This might be the first time I've had a beet salad on a plane. Beets for breakfast, that's what it feels like right now. That's good. Main course is here. I believe this is a sea bass. Delicious looking carrots, black rice, and then something obviously green on top. Let's go ahead and try it. Let me just read it to you what this is. Signature roasted Chilean sea bass over forbidden rice. Yep, that looks like what it is. Stir-fried vegetable medley with ginger, turmeric, and edamame puree. I should have known that's edamame. First thing I think is guac, but it doesn't look like guac. A little bit of that rice, a little bit of that edamame. There we go. Oh my gosh. The flavor on this. I forget sea bass. It kind of has like a savory chicken flavor, but it's more complex. This is awesome. That edamame, nice balance. I'm so used to rice just being flavorless. When they flavor the rice or the rice has flavor, it's always a nice change of pace. Honestly, I wasn't gonna order the sea bass. I was asleep. Judy ordered it for me. With the carrots, it's really good. If you ever get the chance to ride on Singapore Airlines, get the sea bass. I believe it's unique for this flight, Seattle to Singapore. So there's a hint of curry on the carrots. I always put carrots in curry, but I would never think to put curry on carrots. Lots of fancy wines on this flight. I think this is Sauvignon Blanc. I asked what would pair well with this fish, and this is what she said. So guess what? She was right. Typically, you want a white wine when you're eating fish. This fish is so flavorful. It's got a heaviness to it, a savoriness. You could almost get like a light red wine with it. You know what would be really good though? Champagne. Dinner was amazing, delicious. It was perfect. Now I'm gonna try this cocktail. This is called the Singapore Sling. Okay, so when I was doing research about Singapore, This is a drink that came up in a lot of the YouTube videos that I was looking up. Enjoy this 1915 classic, a must-have in Singapore. A concoction of dry gin, Don Benedictine, I don't know what that is, orange liqueur, cherry brandy shaken with pineapple juice, a dash of Angostura bitters. You use bitters in old fashions, and grenadine. Let's try it out. It made this hella quick too. Oh yeah, I will warn you, this is sweet, but it's delicious. It's really got a tropical feel to it. As far as I know, I don't think they add any other sugars, but of course in the liquors and the brandy, there's a lot of sweetness. Really good. I'm normally not a cocktail guy on a plane, and I'm definitely not a sweet cocktail guy. But the reason I'm getting this is because Singapore Airlines, Singapore Sling, you gotta try it. 8.9 out of 10. This is an apple spiced cake. Not sure if this is Singaporean or if it's popular there. I've never heard of it, but that's what I ordered for dessert. And then coffee. Finally, coffee. I haven't had coffee yet because I really want to sleep. As I mentioned earlier, I got less than 3 hours of sleep. As we were departing, I got 20 minutes of sleep. So I avoided coffee because I need to sleep after that. Oh, that's so good. That's really good. Just straight black coffee, which is rare because normally I do my lattes at home for Judy. So that's really good. Spiced apple cake. Thought it was gonna be an apple tart, but bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. It's moist, but it crumbles. There's walnuts in it and raisins. I love raisins in cakes. One of my favorite things. With the black coffee though, let's see.
Thank you.
Oh, with the coffee, that's the way to go right there. You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? We still have 6.5 hours left. Even though I've been eating all this fancy food, nothing like some noodles. These are egg noodles with braised beef, which sounds awesome. Look at that, it's got some greens on it. I think mustard greens, but this braised beef, man, for being a snack dish, that's legit.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. This braised beef, I'm gonna have that little chili with it too this time. I'll tell you what, for as good as everything else I ate tonight was, this might take the cake. This is called Tiger beer. Never had it before. Beer with noodles. This thing's kind of funny. Just a giant piece of green. This is legit the best thing I've had tonight in the last 24 hours. So this is for their refreshments. They had these noodles, which I think are the best thing. They had margarita pizza, which is cool. They had another noodle dish. They had a pork dish, and then tons of snacks. The lady was really nice. She gave me these to have with my beer. Never had them before. Amazing Grays, miso, seaweed, cashews. That's it for my Seattle to Singapore flight, business class. Very grateful I'm getting to eat all this delicious food. I'll talk to you guys when I land, but hopefully that helped. If any of you are curious about what the food is like on this flight, now time to watch a movie. We're here. That was a good flight. Good food. Ready to explore Singapore and eat more food. Till next time.